To find your Visible account number, start by opening the Visible app on your iOS or Android device and logging in. Once logged in, navigate to the Account or Profile tab, usually represented by a person icon. Next, scroll down to Account Details or Billing and Payments section. Your account number, a 10 to 12-digit alphanumeric code, will be listed under Account Number or Subscriber ID. If this is your first time accessing the number, the app might ask for verification via SMS or email. Your Visible account number is a unique identifier, different from your phone number or SIM card number. It's used to verify your identity, manage billing, and resolve account-specific issues. If you can't access the app, you can also find your account number by logging into the Visible website. Alternatively, contact Visible support directly at 1-833-545-04. Keep in mind that Visible is moving towards AI-powered support and QR code interactions, so future app updates may offer even easier ways to access your account details. Remember to keep your account information secure and protected.